Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope so all of you are doing good. So this video is all about Navratri look, and I will be creating very simple and amazing long lasting sweat proof look. So now I'm going to apply lenses. तो मैंने एक साइड लगा लिया, अभी मैं दूसरी साइड लगा के आती हूँ बिकॉज ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क है मेरे लिए. सो जस्ट वेट. So yes guys, lenses are all done and the very first step is going to be primer. Very important. So here I'm using my Glam primer, which is amazing. Somehow looks like this. So let's go.
The consistency is super soft.
So second step is hiding my dark circles. So one I'm using Swiss Beauty in the shade N01, which is a darker concealer. You have to apply the dark concealer all over your darkened areas, pigmented areas.
एंड इसी के साथ मैं हल्का सा लाइटर कंसीलर भी मिक्स कर दूंगी.
So now we are gonna blend it. So blending is all done. Now I am going with a lighter concealer which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and मैं इसी से ही अपना face cover कर दूंगी.
आई एम गोना स्किप फाउंडेशन.
So blending is all done. Now we will set our base with compact powder. So let's contour a bit. So let's go with some blush. Let's go with some highlighter. So now let's move towards eyes. First I'm going with brown eyeshadow for a nice base. Mixing it with little orange. Same I'm going to do this side. So now adding a little
येलो.
सो अब मैं हल्का सा गोल्डन शिमर ऐड करूँगी येलो के ऊपर. सो नाउ इट्स टर्न फॉर लिप्स. आउटर टच ब्राउन, इनर टच न्यूड.
इसी के साथ हम थोड़ा
न्यूड ऐड कर देंगे. Going to add a very
नॉमिनल लाइनर. Pretty.
So now the last step is mascara.
And I'm using the Color Bar mascara, which is my favorite. You can see the difference in just one coat.
Bindi, and I'm gonna put bindi. So that's it for today's video. So if you liked my Navratri look, do like, share, comment and subscribe. please on the bell icon as well